Okay, so we have the pieces here. This is the 3D printed plug part, and you can see it has a little ridge right here on it that's going to click in when we put it in. And this is just a nail that is painted black on the end. Decided to use a nail because it's metal, and we're worried about a 3D printed piece fitting down the middle of this and potentially breaking off. But when you push this in, it's going to push out right behind the ridge here and engage it inside of here. So when you first set this in, it actually goes in a lot easier than the original one. It just clicks right in place real easily, and it's not too hard to get back out again if you want to be able to do that. It's pretty easy. But once you put the nail in on top of it and click it in place, now this will not come out. It is really in there strong. So that should work fine. And then to take it out, it's a lot easier than the old piece. You just pull out the nail and then just get a fingernail under the edge here, and it just pops right out. A lot easier than the original piece does. So once again, just click it in and put this on the top, and you're good to ride.